Hi, financial correspondent Jen Rezac here. I am with Calvin Getz. He is the founder of Strategy Financial Group. Now, when we experience a life change, our beneficiary designations are probably the last thing on our mind. But let's talk about why it's so important to stay on top of this.
That's right, Jen. So incorporating your financial plan, tax plan with your estate plan is critically important. Whenever there's a marriage, a birth, a death, a divorce, those are all qualifying events and moments where we want to take a look at those beneficiary designations as well. Sometimes I also catch people naming their revocable trust as a beneficiary of their IRA. And unless they really need control on that money after death, that can complicate things. We typically want to name living, breathing beneficiaries so they can stretch the money out for up to 10 years from the date of death of the parent. So there's a lot of different things that can happen that can cause a problem if you don't keep those beneficiary designations up to date, where people end up going through probate.
Right. There's so many different things to try to keep track of when it comes to financial planning, retirement planning in general. You and your team put together some resources to help us sort through a lot of this.
That's right, Jen. There's a window of opportunity right now to utilize the retirement kit that we've put together. My team has worked very hard to make sure there are all sorts of different strategies on how you should name beneficiaries in your estate plan to maximize how long the money's going to last and minimize the taxation of that money. Whether you're nearing retirement, you've just retired, or you've been retired a long time, the tools in this kit will help you organize your beneficiary designations and your retirement plan.
There's a lot to learn. You can call, text, or go online and get Calvin's free retirement roadmap kit today. Calvin, thanks for joining me.
Thank you, Jen.
And thank you for watching this week's Retirement Report.